thank you
so much
for
watching
video because hey
what?
Say
No, I didn't say you start first.
Can I power intro kasi message until nang English pa say the whole.
Why?
Can say
Why not? I can say it first, alright?
Can say masang
I will
English
say it in English.
to video bo ni mean request about so EPT double roll kitchen am they are request about so chi ja na ke a power introduction in bon katin until nang English pa ni say.
No. See, let me start first, okay? Let me start the intro and then you continue. See, we have to cooperate together, you know, like that's the reason people are asking make tutorial on double roll.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today tuni video ahi nang ho request dung jia video concept ke ding hian video request le EPT double roll ke chip ham na chu ko ham khan en request and bolin chu EPT double roll video la dam atin le how to set up the whole tutorial tuni video ahi explain kan boarding hian so tuni video board hi it's very simple. Hiti the bong clone video na botin lehin tripod na camera recording atin le to hilaya hi background. Don't worry about background can be any background, but it has to have two light source va zap loading na atin le first panel board to le empty background na empty background lock setting empty background hi koi macha loading na actors ho loading atin le scene khat na kap na ding la chu clone khat hilai loading na day sai sai nang na enjo sama intro keyboard ta bang chu hilai hen day sai sai nang atin le na bon ki khel nang ai lo le hairstyle na khel no mai lo le na bon num bole nei bang chu you have to keep the stand na hilai hi na clone khat pa chu tawa hile keep a distance this much, and then you sit in here. Ajitu editing on keyboard and like his split screen keyboard here na. Yeah, that's it. Then let to he it has a video and landing here to him tutorial lang in to him software lang in look tao ite. To hi video ho in lot title like hin first panel board to tuni video hi double chi resolve is at the low deal hi banga hi hit flip express is at the hin na tun hit flip express chi nang atin la hi video chi drag and drop all in nang drag and drop na board side tin la anu ya hin drag timeline na drag down ball in nang na board side tin la right click ball nang set to compound kiti khan ang data chi ho me la chun pre-compose on keyboard pe the video to pre-compose on keyboard pe na pre-compose on keyboard side tin la to na board pe chu empty background hi holai ham na chi pen chu na hol loading ai lawa le anu ya hin ichi video display koma anu ya hin option khon ga ta ichi option chu na mi a hi le anu ya ho freeze frame ki tikon beta ichi ho na me chat in le it will take you to your file location, and you have to save your image. You can rename whatever. And hichi na board side in legend hichi image to import board in nang to hichi empty image pen to background one is out get na to chu na board side in legend adang chu abe ya hitan to chen hi ang split in le hen hichi video hi achung athuk ma ko do na hichi video ten chu thuk mai ko deu aten le achung hi masking board na hichi masking chu board side thing le slice, and then we'll feather the edge little bit, and then we are done. Clone effect that's keyboard here. Anyway guys, tu ni video ai chen hin chai tao ti
Hey guys, thank you so
mas
much
pen hi
for
chi
watching.
video ve ho hey
What?
ka sai
No, I didn't say you start first.
can ai power intro ka sai ma sai de until la nang in English. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching and I hope you really enjoy this video, and if you want more tutorial, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also leave a comment down below. And cái YouTube channel subscribe bon này lâu vài lần luôn xin tay subscribe này bỏ vì năng cái ading it is very useful to have subscriber. I think on the cái cái bộ thị chú filmmaking tutorial dang ho ke ma head dang like ma experience tu ja tutorial concept reading I think là nang one da na phat chum pi wa la chun it's good for you na phat chum pi lo wa la wa chưa ba ka lo dem boy ba sin hi tai. Okay, I think that's it for today. Thôi, tôi bên chiếm vậy hey tôi cần cái video không giáo cái đó nó thụ để cho sân
Thank you.